What's up, everybody? Welcome to the channel. Hussein Rizz Trader. Today is Wednesday. Should be a very simple day. We're gonna keep things simple, and just like that, we're going to keep things very simple, because that's what our strategy is. It's a very simple strategy. All right. So with that all said, let's begin the day. Right. We're gonna be patient and look for our setup. And what's our setup? It has three characteristics. We need a break, a close, and then a retest. All right. That's what we need. So take a look at this here. Here's a break, right? We broke the view up. Here's this close that's happening right now. And then a retest right here. We enter. We enter for call. The opposite is also true. We're experiencing a slight break here. We closed here. Here's a break. We're going to need to be closing here. And then we can go ahead and enter a put first now. As of right now, I don't like that, this being, I would like to have a better break. I'm going to allow a little bit of time for this one, because this one needs a little bit more time. It's not fully a break. You know what I'm saying? Like, we can see that it's not fully a break here. I prefer a clear break. Like, this is a clear break on the upside. I want a clear break on the downside. That's what's up. That's what's up. As we can see, Tesla did a break on the downside. So now we have to wait for one more retest. We have a break on the downside, a close, and then a retest. We're going to go ahead and enter. This one did a break now on the upside. We're going to wait for this to close. And then on the third attempt, on the retest, we will go ahead and enter. If we were to enter put on this one, where would we put our stop loss? Right? This would be the where we would be entering. Maybe we can say for Tesla, maybe, yeah, for sure right here. I would say that. I think anything above here, we can kind of be like, yeah, I'm good. Right? So we're going to enter a put here. We retest back here. And then we're going to continue entering in this zone if it goes against us up to here. It passes our stop loss. It's really that simple. Very simple. I'm going to trade this like that. Nice pickup here, Tesla. Shoot. Looks like I missed it. I might have to go on this one then. All right, come on. So which one's going to give us the retest? These two? All right, I'm seeing puts for Tesla right now. That's what I'm seeing right now. I'm going to go ahead and prepare Tesla put. I'm preparing Tesla put. I repeat, 180. All right, I went ahead and bought a put right now for Tesla. I'm going to buy one more again. Here we go. Give me more push. Give me more push. And one more. I got in. I got two in. Oh, I'm sorry. I'm going to go ahead and show you the position right now. All right, I'm in. All right, here we go. I'm going to go ahead and add one more. I'm pretty heavy on Tesla, actually, now I think about it. Tesla, yep. All right, here we go. We got our retest. We have a break, we have a close, we got the retest here. Are we gonna move up and all the way here? Sure. I'm willing to add one more up here. And then after that, anything outside of this line, we're gonna have to call it for a loss. But as of right now, once we're in the position, there's nothing we can do. Get your emotion out. There's nothing that you can do. And this is trading. That's it. You have no control of the outcome of this trade. And so with that all said, we just sit back, relax, and allow the probability to do its thing. All right? That's it. That's it. That's it. All right, cool. We want to see a rejection on view up right now. That's what we want to see. Can we get that rejection? Can we go ahead and pull down and get our first contract out here? Here, we'll see. So far, I do like the fact that we are seeing a wick on the VWAP. It's a good sign. It's a very good sign. We did miss this one. We had to decide on a decision, so we went ahead with Tesla. Right? Okay. Now we sit back, we relax. We've entered Tesla. This is our stop loss right here. We're willing to add more as he moves up here in this zone. But that's it. We're not going any more than this. That's it. All right, very, very good. We're doing really well with Tesla, and I'm gonna go ahead and get one out. I just went ahead and took a little bit of profit out at this level here. I'm glad that we're breaking this. I want to see you further dip. That'd be really nice and sweet. Okay, just we wait what happens here. I'm glad we're able to take at least something before this reversal happened, and that's okay. That's completely okay. Okay, our seller's gonna come in again because buyer stepped in after that push down. Okay, now it looks like we're about to move up, and that's our stop loss right here. So, and that's it. We're gonna go ahead and buy one more contract on the put side around this area right here. All right, sellers needs to step in. This additional pushback up to the view up, sellers needs to push in. We have no control on that, right? So we don't need to worry about it. We just gotta wait. We have a break, we have a close, we have this retest that we entered, and that's our strategy. That's it. Nothing else you could do, guys. Nothing else. You can hope, you can't hope in dreams and all that stuff. No, 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 no. Cool off, relax, get your emotion off, because this is trading. You have no control of the outcome. All right. And this is the only business that is like that. You have no control of the outcome, right? Imagine, lawyers and doctors, didn't care of the outcome, right? Yeah, because their job depends on it, right? Their job depends on one outcome happening. But for trading, yeah, we want one particular outcome to happen, but you have no control of it. So if you don't have any control of it, why do you care at this point? Why do you care, right? And we don't care, right? We only care about what the level we can control, and that's what finding a setup that has one higher probability happening than another one. That's it. Outside of that, we can't. So with that said, just like that, we have no control. So we'll see what happens here. We'll see if buyers are gonna or sellers are gonna step in again, because buyers are keep coming up. So we have all right, cool. We have this break where it looks like we're moving up now on the upside. Here we go. I'm gonna add one more here, and then after that, we're gonna call our L. All right, cool. Let me go ahead and buy one more put. Waiting patiently for it to go to our stop loss, and that's it. So far, it's not looking good. Our odds of this trade being successful has drastically decreased because now we have now opened up on above the VWAP. All right, now we're testing here, which is okay, and this is our stop loss right here. Willing to add. I'm gonna go ahead and add one more put here. One more put here if it goes over here. That's it. As you guys notice, I'm not selling anymore. I'm gonna just, because remember I had that two criteria. That first criteria was what? Break on the view up. I would have to get out. But now I'm saying now I'm gonna get rid of that. I'm gonna do it the stop loss. I'm gonna go ahead and add one more, and after that we're gonna be selling for a loss. All right, I'm coming to our stop loss here. Here we go. Getting near our stop loss, we're gonna go ahead and sell for a loss, and that's it. And that's it, guys. That's it. This is that mark right here that I'm trying to avoid from holding anything above here. Can we get a rejection off here? Looks like we're not getting rejection. I'm gonna buy one more, and then I'm gonna have to go ahead and sell. All right, guys, that was a good run. Oh, I thought I was selling all of it. All right, I gotta click faster next time. All right, cool. All right. By the way, that position that's up there right now is my long-term holdings, so we can just ignore that until we enter a new position. All right, that was a fun trade. I actually low-key liked it. The position went against us, and that's okay. Nothing else we can do. Would I've liked to enter this one? Yeah, but I had to decide on one, and I went ahead with that one, and that's okay. Because they both give us our setup. Here's a break, here's a close, here's that retest. We'll enter here, and anything here, we'll keep going, and we had a nice, beautiful upward trajectory here. That's what we had. That's what we had. All right, cool. Now we sit back, we relax. Let's take a look at Apple, see if we have any opportunity there. All right, Apple's, getting a retest to the VWAP right now after this dump. Let me see here. Let me go ahead and mark the pre-market lows and high real quick just to have an understanding where things are at. Yeah, we're gonna be entering Apple for a put side. Sure. Let's go ahead and do that real quick. All right, hopefully this doesn't go against us, right? Let's go ahead and go to Apple. Let's go ahead and buy put 184. Okay, we went ahead and place the put for Apple right now. We're in Apple. I'm gonna go ahead and buy more puts as we get closer to the VWAP. I'm gonna get one more in actually. Still fairly close right now. Probably should have waited a bit longer on that second one to add. I want to go ahead and add one more here. Come on, give me a push. Thank you. Go ahead and add that in. All right, I went ahead and got 3 in place here. I'm going to buy one more a bit outside of it. So this would be our probably stop loss here. Let's go ahead. All right, guys, I did something wrong right now. Do you guys notice that? All right, what did I do wrong in entering Apple right now? Let me go ahead and get one out. What did I do wrong in entering Apple right now? Do we have our setup? There's a break, there's a close, here's the retest. But what did we say? Our setup comes only after the first 30 minutes. So we don't have any break after the first 30 minutes. This is all within the previous 30 minutes. So this is not a good idea. It's not one of my strategy. Yes, it is technically the characteristic of our strategy. However, we do like it only after. This is something that I've put in place recently. Right now seems to be benefiting us, but I mean, you know what I mean. But we'll see. I'm gonna go ahead and get one out again here. I'm just doing this just because I know it's not one of my strategy. Taking my profit as soon as possible. But that's that. We're gonna go ahead and let this one run or at break even. Nice move down. 14%. Wow. I guess I did sell too early. Oh, wrong spot I was looking at. Okay. We're just fairly about 6%. Apple had a sudden move up here. Do you think we're gonna reject the VWAP and move back down? Want to make sure we don't pass here. If you were to pass this candle here, I'm gonna go ahead and just get out of the position. On break. I'm tempted to get out right now, but this is just the runner, so let's leave them alone. Come on, oh wow, he broke it. We're up nearly 10%. Oof, we're just rejecting off of it. All right, here we go, here we go. Come on, break it. Oh, yeah, let's go. Nice, wow. That's really cool. You went ahead and you broke it. That's cool, that's dope. All right, I went ahead and sold that. Called it a day with it. I would have liked to have, hold on to it a bit longer, it's fine. Just because it's not fully my strategy. So I figured I'd just take the W. Call it. All right, here we go. Let's go ahead and go back to our chart here. Tesla. We have not received our retest yet for Tesla. And Snow, we've already missed that opportunity. That one off the door. We can take a look at AMD and see what's happening there, in the meantime. We have a lot of opportunities, guys. AMD. Let's take a look at AMD. Okay, AMD is runner. You know, it's a runner, all right. Beautiful runner. What else can we take a look at? Okay, looks like Tesla. We could be getting our retest here again. We're gonna be ready to be buying Tesla very soon. Very, very soon. Look at that, right? Had we not sold Apple, we would have just continued with our profit. Yeah, looks like I have an issue of also selling too early. So that's something I'm gonna also work on to avoid that. All right, cool. We're gonna be ready, prepared to buy a Tesla for a retest of the VWAP. Go ahead and prepare a call here for Tesla. All right, we're officially in a retest for Tesla. So we're in the retest. We have a what? We're also fairly close to the rejection of the pre-market high. So I don't think this position may not go in our favor. But we'll see. We'll see what happens if we're gonna bounce off this VWAP. All right, we have a break, a close, and a retest to the VWAP, and this is the first retest to the VWAP, and that's what we entered here. We're willing to continue buying it until up to this point. I think below here, I don't know. I don't know if I would want it. Oh, this is also the pre-market low. Oh wow. Let me go ahead and just take a look at it. Okay, I like that we're getting some wicks off the floor here at this VWAP. It's a good sign, but we'll see if we're gonna move up after all. All right, here we go. Here we go. We bought this retest here. That's simply all we did. Okay, we're now above the VWAP. Got pushed above the VWAP. Let's go ahead and get one out real quick. We're at 5% right now. I do like this. Went ahead and sold one more. I took half off right now. Okay, we'll see if we're gonna move up or we're gonna come back down to the VWAP again. Oof, I'm liking this. I'm gonna get took another out. I'm gonna leave this one as a runner. I'm gonna leave this one as a runner right now. And we'll just sit back, relax, and wait patiently. All right. We'll see here. Looks like we're getting a push back down again. I'm gonna go ahead and sell it for break even for sure. This is the runner here. No, we're not gonna be buying any more retest. This is the first retest, and that's what we do. We simply just, buy that. Nice, nice uptick here. Doing really good with Tesla. I like that it closed above. I like that this 5-minute closed above. So we'll see if we're gonna get any more push down or gonna move up from this from this what's it called? From this 20. Ideally, I want to see it pass here. That's why I was selling here, by the way, this level. I just wasn't sure if we're gonna break above here. I'm sure we will, but I sell levels, so any level that's near me, I just get out a little bit. And this is the major level right here. I'm waiting to see. Probably should have just sold it at this level, but I think we're gonna break it based on this candle here. I think we're gonna break above here and just move up. Good. Glad that we are getting a move up here. Nice clearance here. Almost, I should say. Nice. We'll see here. We're up almost 10% here. Here we go. Can we get a break above here? Nice. Come on. Break it. Break it. It's rejecting. Sellers are there. It's fine. Come on, guys. Come on, buyers. Let's go. Let's go. Nice job, sellers. Well done. We'll go ahead. Our buyers, what you say. Well done. All right, cool. We went ahead and got out of that position. All right. It was a nice move. Followed our strategy to the T, and this one happens to be in our direction. Is it likely going to move up? I wish I didn't sell too early, you know? Sure, those two contracts, I was definitely, I'm glad that I sold here. I would have probably sold the third one here and then waited that last one above here. But, you know, it's always a good complaint to say, oh, I wish I didn't sell too early, you know? But I'm just happy that things went towards our direction. That's all. That's all. Let's go ahead and take a look at our P&L. I think we're still probably down for the day, still, but we did recouped a bit of our loss. So we're making money for sure. But right now, only down $50 from $117. So we're doing really well. We're doing really well. So I'm just gonna move this here. All right, what else can we take a look at? Okay, let's get our main three in place and see what's happening here. We got Tesla. We got Snow. And then we got what? We got Snow, and then we got Coin over here. All right, we're getting a break on the downside for Coin. I don't know if we want to trade that, but we are getting a break on the downside for Coin. I wonder how Mara looks. Let's take a look at Mara. All right, Mara experienced a break, a close, and missed the retest to go on the downside. But I don't know if I want to be comfortable trading Mara. I don't feel comfortable with that. So let's just focus on Coin. Yep, Tesla is struggling to move above the pre-market high, going back above it. So it looks like it was going to do it eventually, but as of right now, man, the sellers that are in place at the pre-market high, they are killing it. They are ensuring that it doesn't go above there, and they're doing their best. But also buyers are doing their best to ensure a hold above VWAP. So we'll see who wins. See who wins. We'll see who wins. Right now, Coin is in decision mark. Can't decide between going above the VWAP or below the VWAP. That's what's going on with Coin right now. What was I saying? All right, look at that. Like I said, it's struggling. I'm glad I sold it, guys. You know what I'm saying? Like, yeah, it's struggling. All right, it's struggling. Let's focus on Coin and Snow. I know having three in place is kind of too much. I'm not gonna lie, it is. Let's at least bring it down to two. Let's look at Coin and Tesla. Tesla and Coin. All right, so yeah, Coin is struggling to decide on a direction. That's what's going on with Coin right now. You know, and Tesla, we bought this call here. We sold majority of it here and as well as here, this break above here. You know what I mean? We had a nice move up to that pre-market high, and I would have sold all of it. If I was in all of my four contracts, I would have sold all of it here for sure. You know, there's no way I'm holding through that. And so just like that, major rejection on the downside. So we could get a potential put for what's it called, for Tesla. And so we sit back, we relax. If we get that opportunity, we'll take it. If we don't get it, it's okay. Right now we're down $50 on the day. We've taken L, and then L, a W, and then a W. That's that. That's that. Hopefully you get opportunity. All right, cool. Let's go. All right, well, nothing too excited right now. We have to wait for a close here, but this is the first step, right? First step. All right, cool. So So both of them, we're gonna get an opportunity on either of them. All right, on either of them, we're gonna get an opportunity. Either a put here for Apple or a put here for coin. I prefer Apple. I hope we get an Apple. Just because, sorry, I meant to say Tesla. Okay, we have two opportunities, all right? That's coming to us right now, very, very soon, in the next 4 minutes here. All right? We either get a retest on Tesla or a retest on coin. Yeah, it's either gonna be one of these two. I prefer to trade a retest put on Tesla just because we're coming off that pre-market high and their sellers are in place trying to push this down. I think my odds are a bit higher than coin. You know, coin is very strong and now it's just trying to go down a little bit and it may come back up. So, like I said, I just have to decide on one, right? Whichever comes, I'm just gonna do it. Either I go off by that or I'll go off by the technical. You know what I'm saying? But regardless, I think I'm gonna go with whatever comes to me first. So that's all we gotta do, guys. That's it. That's it. Now we sit back, we relax, we allow these next 3.5 minutes or so to do its thing. All right, here we go. Right, we got less than a minute right now. We're gonna see which one we're gonna get our retest. As of right now, it looks like our retest is going to be coin. So let's go ahead and prepare coin for put. Make sure I'm on coin and make sure I buy the right put. I'll go ahead and buy puts here with coin. All right, I went ahead and bought put on coin right now. I repeat, I went ahead and bought put on coin. All right, now we sit back, we relax. Oh, all right, looks like coin's a bit expensive for put. We're above nearly 3K here on put. All right, here we go. Here we go. Can we get some money here? We got 2%. All right, I'm gonna get one out. Just I didn't realize it was that expensive. All right, here we go. Here we go. Here we go. We need to break here. We need to break here. Come on. Break, break. Again, nothing we can do, all right? I'm just trying to have a good time with it. But there's nothing I can do, all right? I just want to keep repeating that so we can get your emotions out. You know what I'm saying? We need to break this level for us to have a nice, beautiful dip. You know? Tesla's dipping right now. AMD's dipping. Apple's dipping. Snow, let me see if Snow is dipping. Oh, wow. Snow is also dipping. Oh, my goodness. So our odds are kind of in our favor, bro. All right, here we go. We got a break right now. Come on, can we keep going? We're up $43. We're up, you know, just about, you guys can't see the screen here. Small percentage. Come on. Break. Very tempted to get a little bit off here. I'm gonna get some money here. Got one contract in place right now. I know I've sold too soon. I know. Get it. I have to work on that. But I'm just so quick just to get, I'm pretty quick right now to just take my money as soon as I see it. You know what I mean? But that also leaves money on the table. I understand. I'm gonna work on that as time goes. I'm gonna work on that as time goes. I'm gonna allow this one contract to run and just do its thing. All right. We wait, we relax. Nice, beautiful dip. Wish we had all of it, right? It's like what? 5% right now. Oh my goodness. We were selling at like 2%, bro. Goodness, we could have made bank. Wow. Just wow. Bro, are you serious or are you being milked right now? Wow. Nice, beautiful run up. We went ahead and sold it, right? I think we're now in the green. It's official. We're just $20 in the green now. Oh my goodness. That's trading, guys. That's trading. That is trading. And this was actually probably the best trading I've experienced I've probably had so far. I'm not gonna lie. You know, I have many, but this one hit. This one is different. All right. We're gonna go ahead and take a look at AMD. AMD's looking sus right now. This was a beautiful trade. If we had all our 4 contracts in place, we sold here. Oh, that would have been good money. It would have been that funny money right now. But I'm very pleased that we made a good amount of money, actually. We made a really, really, really good amount of money. We're satisfied with it. We move forward to the next opportunity. Right now, here's what I see. We got snow right now coming up for opportunity. We have a break. We're gonna wait for this close. And guess what? We also got AMD coming in hot here with the break. Here we go. Here we go. Right, we have a break. We have a close. We're about to get a close right now on AMD, and then we are gonna be ready, rock and roll here. I'm gonna go ahead and have AMD prepared. And snow. Okay, cool. So this is our strategy right here, guys. This is it. This is it. And going forward, I'm only gonna have 2 screens. All right, no more of that. So I apologize for that. Having 3 screens a bit too much. All right, I prefer to enter AMD because there's just so much dip to go. There's just too much. There's just so, and it's likely we're gonna be getting that anyway. We have. Oh wow, we gotta buy right now. We gotta buy AMD. Gotta buy puts. Oops, I think I was too late here. I repeat, I think I was a little too late. Did I enter in time? Okay, whew. I'm still fine. I want to see a bit more move up here so I can enter. I am going against this candle. Not the best idea. I don't like that I'm doing that. But again, here's a break. Here's a close. Here's that retest here. I enter 2. I want to enter 1 more up here as it moves up. And we have to identify our stop loss. I think our stop loss will have to be here. All right, I'm going to go ahead and enter 1 more on the put side here. Went ahead and entered 1 more here. So this would be a good... I had to like rush to enter AMD because I wasn't sure. I didn't have it prepared, loaded up. Hopefully we walk away with a nice W today, guys. I think right here is fine. It's a good spot for put here. Let me go ahead and place our. We're getting a nice move down on AMD, already 3%. That's nice. I'm gonna go ahead and get one off the table here very soon. Okay, I just took one out. All right, let me see here. So we have this right here. So this would be our overall spot here. Kind of keep in mind. Hopefully we get a push down. We're going against this candle. I don't like it, you know. But we'll see what happens here. We sit back, we relax, and we wait. That's it. That's it. We're in this position right now. Focus on this screen. Oh man, we're getting a break. I really don't want to take our. I really don't want that to happen. And it looks like I'm gonna go ahead and enter 1 more. If we take an L, we're gonna call it. That's it. I went ahead and entered 1 more. Any break above it, I'll enter it again. What time is it right now? It's 10 a.m. So I don't know. Maybe we're gonna turn it back around. No idea. But just following my strategy. That's it. That's my stop loss. If we take an L, we take an L. That's it, guys. That's it. There ain't nothing else we can do. All right, we have a break. We have a close. And the thing about trading is you want to trade less. The less trade you do, the ideal. But here we go. I'm tempted to add 1 more in just because we're struggling. All right, here we go. I'm going to add 1 more in. I got in 1 more put. I'm going to be selling if we go to our stop loss. Of course, that's what stop loss are for, right? So, yeah. A little nervous. Your boy's a little nervous right now. Hopefully, this is just a quick, what do they call that? Stop loss hunt. I hope that's just what it is right now. We reverse back down. But again, it's nothing I can do to have, one outcome happen over another. I have no control over it. So we just let the probably do its thing. So far, I do like the fact that we are seeing a beautiful wick of rejection from the top. We're also seeing it from the bottom, of course, so there's a clear indication of buyers and sellers are going to be fighting here for this VWAP. All right, here we go. We'll see who wins. Who wins? So far, the stock is bullish, and I'm going against it, so I can see why I might lose based on the price action information. But again, this is our strategy. We just enter. I'm just simply identifying what are some of the things that are in our favor and some of the things that's not in our favor. That's all. I'm not going to be selling and buying, selling or buying outside of my criteria of my strategy. That's it. And this is the sell right here. If we go against it, we're done. That's it. I'd like to see this maintaining downward. Great. If that happens, great. If it doesn't, cool. Just like that. Here we go. Your boy's a little nervous because I'm trying to end the day with a W. That's all your boy's a little nervous about. That's it. If we don't end it with a W, that's okay. It's completely okay. It's a nice, beautiful push down here. Come on, come on, come on, come on. I'm tempted to get out of this position, or at least lower it down. But I need to cool off though, for real. I need to cool down. Because I'm attaching the outcome. Right? I'm focused on the outcome, right? I hope it happens you know what I'm saying? Just cool up, bro. That's it. Nice. Sellers really turned this around. I'm gonna go ahead and get one out right now. Went ahead and took one out. Beautiful rejection on the VWAP right now. This is called the stop hunt, probably. Right? We had it right here though, so we were good. I'm tempted just to really get out right now. But I don't want to also sell too soon. You know, 40 bucks. I'm gonna get one out. I think two I'm comfortable. I'm gonna keep two in place. I'm comfortable for two as a runners or for potential break even. All right. I'm selling this for break even. That's it. That's it. If this thing goes against me, I'm selling for break even. I'm no longer gonna be using what? Right here. This is no longer my stop loss. My stop loss is once that thing turns to red. Right? When that 20, 30 bucks turns to red, we get out. All right, cool. I want to get one out here. It's the nice, beautiful click right here. Kind of sold it too soon though. I'd like to wait for the break to happen and then sell it. But we went ahead and sold it anyway. All right. So yeah, we are selling too soon. You know, we left a lot on the table versus what we were risking, right? This is our gap risk right here, guys. You know, and this is that gap right here. So it's like 1-to-1 here. This is not good. All right. So I know I got to get better at my sellings. All right. And where I'm taking the money, I got to get better at that. But I'm happy that I'm taking profits. There's nothing to complain about that. You know, you just got to tweak it, sure. But complaining about taking profits, nah, bro. Don't do that. Don't do that. Don't be greedy here. All right, cool. I don't want to see a push up above here. All right. I do not want to see that. Matter of fact, I'm going to make that the stop loss, period. Because again, I have now I'm really invested in this, you know what I'm saying? Like I don't need to see anything outside of that. I'm just going to get out. Or maybe just do the break even. What should we do? Should we do a break even or outside of that? We'll see what happens. We'll see what happens. But for sure, break even. All right, we're getting outside of that. I'm very tempted just to call it a day here. I'm gonna wait for a break even though. Come on, push down. Let's go. Oof. This is the runner right here, guys. This is just simply the runner. That's it. This is the runner. We're just allowing the runner to do his thing. Okay. We're going to be selling for break even. If this position goes against us, I have this marked here to see as just a reference visual effect, like to really see if we're going to go below this dip here. You know what I'm saying? This is a major mark here. So I want to see if we're going to break that. I hope we don't. If we don't break this, I'm willing to maintain this position all the way. But looks like we're breaking it right now. So here we go. I'm going to be getting out of this position very soon for a break even here. I'm not holding it outside of this. Here we go. All right, we're out. We're out. We're out. Let's go, guys. Let's go. Let's go. Hope that wasn't too loud. Hope that was not too loud. All right. Let's go. We did well. We did well. Yes, yes, I get it. I get it. You know, should I have allowed a little bit above that? Yes, I know. I know. I get it. I get it. I get it. But we gotta call it, guys. We gotta call it. We cannot be greedy out here. Let's go. We banged today. Let's see how much we got. I'm just happy we ended the day with a W. All right. Gosh, finally, we had a really good trading day today. A really good trading day. Please put it in the comments. See what y'all think of my strategy and what I can improve on. You know what I'm saying? We all traders out here. We all need some help. You know what I'm saying? I would love to read your feedbacks and just take a look at it and see what I can implement and how I can improve as a trader. And I hope that you watching me and took some value from this. You know what I'm saying? We all gotta help each other out here. All right. So yeah. So that's that. That is that. That is that. All right. We're not taking no longer. We're not. We missed it, guys. We missed it. I know. Now we missed this. It's okay. It's all right. It's all right. Cool off. It's okay. Oh my gosh, we missed this. It's okay. It's all right. We did really well. Either we're not trading anymore. I repeat, we're not trading anymore. I'm gonna go ahead and take a look at the P&L, and then we're gonna see what we go. What we go. $64. Let's go. We're gonna call it a day. You know what I'm saying? $65. We're gonna call it a day, guys. That's it. That's it. All right. Ooh, take a look at Snow, by the way. Oh my goodness, we had that retest on Snow. We missed it. We missed it. What? We literally missed that. We had a break, a close, and that retest. We missed it. It's okay. It's okay. Another day. We missed that retest. It's all right. You know, as soon as we got our AMD, we should have looked at other opportunities. But like I said earlier, I was satisfied for the day. That's why I wasn't really doing looking at opportunities. But again, you gotta be hungry at all times, guys. That's it. Your voice is excited, all right? Can't believe I missed that. All right. Tesla had a retest after that break. Oops, where's Tesla? Yeah, I need to find a better way to like just click of a button and change the screen. You know? It's not really a full retest. It's not really a full retest here. Let's take a look at Apple. Yeah, Apple's trash today. You know, we took this opportunity for sure. That's it. I think we're gonna have to just call it a day. I wish that we did not miss our opportunity for Snow. You know, right after AMD, we could have certainly have entered this one. It was literally around that time after we got out of AMD. It was this retest. You know what I'm saying? And that's okay. You know, that's all right. We ended the day with the $64. We're gonna just go ahead and take it, enjoy it, and we're gonna come back another day. All right. With that all said, your boy HRT out. All right. Take care, everybody. And I appreciate you guys commenting on the. You know, I appreciate you all putting a comment, and looking forward to reading your guys' suggestions and advices and opinions. All right. Take care.